Welcome. In front of me is a Realme GT7 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings, and from here scroll all the way down to System and Update, and then scroll down again, and you should have... where is it? Repair mode? No. Oh, there we go. Backup and reset. From here, select Reset Phone, and then erase all data. Now, if you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it right here, so I'm gonna do that. It gives you a pop-up, permanently clear all data, your phone will be restored to factory settings, meaning everything that is stored on the device will be deleted, including photos, videos, music, and so on. So, if you have anything on your phone that you like to keep, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. Now, with that being said, I'm gonna select Clear. Again, it prompts us once more to let us know that this cannot be undone, so we're going to select Clear, and it will now begin factory resetting the device. Now, I would advise you to have at least like more than 10% of the battery life to do this. I have very little battery, so I'm going to plug it in, as I wouldn't want to have it like stop resetting throughout because battery died. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.